as a part of the natural world. This is my home. This is everything.
We're all animals, and I mean, this is what we come from, but no, I don't feel like I'm connected to it at all. I feel like I've been conditioned to microwave my food and sit on the couch and watch TV.
Yeah, there's definitely a connection, and I think you feel that sometimes when you live in an urban area such as the DC area, and you're just always around buildings and cars, and when you get out to nature,